Assalamu alaikum, students of class 12, especially English version, those who have the subject statistics. Most welcome to my lecture. I'm going to deliver a lecture on sampling. This is the 8th chapter of your second paper of statistics. So, this is my third lecture on the chapter. In my second lecture, I have discussed about the sample mean is an unbiased estimator of population mean. That is mean related problem we have discussed, and how can we collect the sample uh, from the population. Today I'm going to solve another problem which is variance related problem, and there are two systems, with replacement and without replacement. I have said that we can collect the sample from population either with system or with replacement or without replacement. Now the question is here: write down all possible simple random samples of size 2. Write down all possible simple random samples of size 2 in without replacement from a population having units 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Firstly, we have to write down the possible samples from population, and the size of sample is 2. And the system is mentioned here. In without replacement, we have to collect the sample. I said that when it is without replacement, in that moment, number of sample with replacement, number of sample equal to n to the power n. When it is without replacement, in that moment, number of samples equal to NCN. Here the problem is without replacement, so number of samples will be 5C2, that is 10. That is, if we collect the samples of size 2, if we collect the samples of size 2 from this population without replacement, in that moment we will get 10 samples. Now we have to write these 10 samples. It is very clear to us that after collecting, if we don't make any mistake in that moment, we will get only 10 samples. So we have to write these 10 samples. This is the first query of the question. Now we have to justify variance of y equal to n minus n divided by n minus 1 into sigma square divided by n. Now, what is the meaning of capital N? What is the meaning of small n? And what is sigma square? Firstly, it is clear to us that n means population size. That is, capital N means population size. Here capital N means 5 because this is population and there are 5 elements, number of points. So capital N equal to 5, and size is 2, sample size is 2, that is small n equal to 2. It is also clear. Now sigma square, what is the meaning of sigma square? Sigma square means variance. There is a formula of variance, that is sigma square equal to summation x minus x bar whole square divided by n. This is the mathematical form of variance. By definition, sum square of the deviation of set of observation from their arithmetic mean. When this is divided by number of terms, then this portion is called variance, and variance is always a square term. So this is all about the query of the question, and to solve the question we have to know this, and if we able to determine the value of sigma square, then to justify this one is very easy. First of all, variance of y, this is, or variance of x equal to summation y minus y bar whole square divided by n, and this is summation y square divided by n minus y bar square. To determine the variance, that is sigma square, we have to know this. So firstly, we must determine y bar and sum of y square. So let's start the solution. Solution. Let us consider population y equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You may consider x, you may consider z, doesn't matter. And population size capital N equal to 5. Now sample called small y and sample size equal to small n, which is equal to 2. Now we are going to determine the sample mean, population mean. It is not necessary to determine the population mean. Now population variance, this is population variance, which is sigma square, this is summation y minus y bar whole square divided by capital N, which is equal to summation y square divided by n minus y bar square. Now summation y square equal to 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square. Here summation y means, I repeat, summation yi, this is y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. Similarly, when it is summation y square, then it is y1 square, y2 square, y3 square, y4 square, y5 square. By this sense, y1 means first value, y2 means second value, y3 means third value, y4 means fourth value, and y5 means fifth value, that is 10. So summation y square equal to 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square. and its sum we get 220 again y bar. So we get summation y square equal to 220. Now population mean y bar equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 5, and its sum is 30 divided by 5, so this is 6. Finally y bar equal to 6. We obtained these two values. Just replacing the values, we get 220 divided by 5 minus 6 whole square. So it is 44 minus 36, that is 8. So we get the value of sigma square equal to 8. Now just replacing the values of capital N, small n and sigma square, then we will get the values of this. Actually there is a wrong in the question, and find, and it will be find variance of y bar equal to this. Find the value of, we may say that find the value of this. So we determine the value of sigma square. Now it's very easy calculation to determine this value. Now capital N minus small n divided by n minus 1 into sigma square divided by n, which is equal to 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 1 into sigma square equal to 8 divided by 2, that is 3 by 4 into 8 by 2, and this is 3, which is the required value of this.